Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. As we enjoyed gorgeous temperatures today, there are some impactful weather heading our way. Let's start with the details. First and foremost, we're all going to have some gusty winds, 40 mile per hour or more as we go between Thursday night and into Friday. The Friday morning commute will be impacted particularly, and some of us will still feel those impacts on the evening commute. The heaviest snow totals look to be over 4 inches, and the best chance of that here in the Red River Valley and points east, and that is why Friday is a first alert weather day. More on that right now. Here's the timing. Our transition to this wintry weather begins tomorrow. After 2/3 of our day look delightful, still near 40 degrees, but rain late, mixing with a little graupel and changing over to snow by Thursday, with gusty winds increasing, means our transition is underway. By Friday morning, late Thursday night and into Friday morning, the impacts will be great, as the snow will be persistent overnight for some. And again, it looks to be more of a Red River Valley and east thing. Here's your Wednesday rain showers moving through about drive time and into the late night hours. Those shift out of here. Then for Thursday, much of the day windy, especially in our western counties. With snow developing late, it gets heavy and focuses itself over the Red River Valley and points east, says the European model. There are some differences, and it's not set in stone yet as to how things are going to transpire, but the European model shows the best chance of impactful snow of 4 or more inches could be Southern Valley into Lakes country. The American model agrees with the location, but it is a little less robust with the snowfall potential with this system as we move into our late week. So we'll keep you advised as to the changes. They will happen, but some impactful weather heading our way from the Pacific Northwest. Right now, your radar is extremely quiet here in the Red River Valley and beyond, as you would expect, with just a few high clouds out there. We have mid-20s in Thief River Falls, but a lot of 30s across northwest Minnesota. Warm that into the 40s still out in parts of the central Dakotas. And at Hector International right now, temperatures are simply awesome. And that includes Moorhead's Airport at 30 degrees. The wind fairly light at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Your hour-by-hour forecast, we will have high clouds working their way through the region. You see these little hiccups moving through overnight, and isolated flurry. Likely no accumulation, but we could see an isolated slippery spot first thing in the morning with temperatures in the 20s. First half of the day looks delightful. Temperatures start rising from the 20s to the 40s again into the early afternoon. Then for the drive time home, rain showers, heavy at times. Can't rule out a rumble of thunder. As we get toward the latter part of the day, as this system pushes into cooler Minnesota, we could see some areas of graupel and sleet mixing in with that. Then a break as we go into the nighttime hours. But here's the cold front, and this is what's going to bring some of the change and the onset of Thursday's snow. Your planner for Fargo on your hump day shows temperatures rising from the 20s all the way up, soaring to 40 degrees, some sunshine, light winds. Later in the day, the rain chances increase around that drive time, and the wind really picks up late at night. Hometown forecast shows at 3 o'clock we'll have rain developing in our western counties, moving eastward. Temperatures near 40 in that 3 o'clock hour for many in eastern North Dakota, and well into the 30s once again for most of western Minnesota. This old Dodge truck sitting out in the field of snow. Thanks, Clinton, for uploading your photo there. Here's a look at the planning forecast. Thursday will be breezy, periods of snow showers. Late Thursday, that snow gets heavy and more organized here in the valley and points east. And as we head into your day on Friday, a first alert weather day is in store. We will have impactful weather, both morning commute and evening commute impacts, quieter but cooler as we go towards Martin Luther King Jr. Day on Monday.